another journey production. I want to vibe. I want to vibe now. I want to vibe. I want to vibe now. I want to vibe. I want to vibe now. I want to vibe. I want to vibe now. I want to vibe it every day. I want to vibe too. People's over here and I just come for you. I want to vibe over here. The vibe in my time. I vibe over here to say I guess I want to rhyme. I want to vibe for all the people see. Seeing over here when you want to see me. You want to see the people up at that sea. People's over here want to say ooh we. Say hey. Say I really want to vibe. Everybody, do you really want to vibe? Say I really want to vibe. Say everybody, do you really want to vibe? Say hey. Say I guess I want to vibe. Everybody, say I really want to vibe. Say I really want to vibe. Say everybody, when I say what I vibe. Marina, love, Trina, want to go vibe. Seven does say, yes, you want to vibe. Everybody in the house, when we gonna vibe? Everybody said, yes, you gonna vibe. Robert, and oh, yes, you gonna vibe. Everybody in the house, when we vibe. Vibe over here when I see your name. Name over here when we vibe today. Say, hey, say, yes, I want to vibe. Everybody, do you really want to vibe? Say, yes, I want to vibe. People's over here saying, yes, I want to vibe. Say, yes, I want to vibe. Everybody, let's go and vibe. So when I want to vibe, say everybody, I'm going to vibe. When I see the nature, birds and pests, and the animal, when I say today, vibing over here is what I want to say. Vibing over here and we vibe all way. Rob all way, yeah, vibing in the house. I'm over here when I rock that sound. DJ 44 Synergy, just vibing. Everybody's over here, yes, why we vibing? Hey, say that yes, I like the vibe. I see you when I say I want to vibe. Said I really want to vibe. Everybody said I guess I like a vibe. Said yes, I will be vibe. People's over here, I was looking in your eyes. Just now that I'm vibing, everybody said yes, I was vibing. Sing the Rob again, vibing in the chat. Marina, love, Gina on that. Everybody will be Rob on that. Rob all day, getting down like that. Vibing over here when we in this fight. Yes, the red light, some people getting tight. Getting tight when that fight was right. Everybody said that yes, it was nice. Nice over here, just nice with my flow. People tell me, said yes, I got more. More over here when I vibe on the beat. Straight Johnny just giving me this beat. Saying, hey, saying yes, I want to vibe. Everybody, do you really want to vibe? Then I want to vibe. Then everybody, let's go and vibe. Saying yes, I'm gonna vibe. Coming over here when we going to vibe. But yeah, we gonna vibe. Everybody, when we going to vibe. DJ 44 Synergy with blazing. Blazing with the fire. Yes, it will be saving. Saving all the people. Vibing for the people. Teaching all the kids. Now we love all the people. Vibe in the chat. Vibe on that. People's over here. Now we wanna own that. Let's put our money in the bank to own that. Make your money on that. Say, hey, Marina Latrina. Vibing over here when we saying when we in. Talking about when we better go and eat some. Eating everybody saying I guess I wanna get some. I wanna get all the vibe from the people. People's over here saying yes, I love my people. When the people saying they also love me, saying that yes, I'm over here, they saying that he's up for the sleep, but saying I guess I wanna vibe. Everybody, do you want to vibe? Saying I guess I wanna vibe. That everybody said we going to vibe. Said we going to vibe. That every time I'm over here, I'm going to vibe. Saying that people in the chat, you know we over here gonna vibe like that. 6-4 is back, just a vibing like that. Over there today, just a kitchen like that. Vibing over here, vibing up with the J. Yes, I'm over here, showing name my way. Vibe to you like you vibe with me. People's over here wanna say ooh wee. Now I'm over here in the red light D. People talking about, can you even see? See what I say, see what I do. People's over here when I wanna keep it true. Keeping it true when I keeping it on. Vibing everybody when we own this song. Saying, hey, then I really wanna vibe. Everybody saying I guess I wanna vibe. Then I guess I'm gonna vibe. Everybody, let's go and vibe. Then Yes, I'm gonna vibe. I'm in the J and you know we vibe. I'm talking about everybody.